Hello, welcome to example 3 of week 3, the last example for the week. This one, there's going to be multiple parts to it, but as long as you can find the area of one rectangle and you can add, you can do this. So, we are going to find the area of complex polygons. So it's not just going to be one rectangle or one square, it's going to be multiple put together, and we're going to have to find the area of the whole thing. So like it says, find the area of the polygon made of rectangles. So this is the shape right here that we're going to try and find the total area of. So it's not just finding one base and one height, we got to break it into pieces. So we're going to do some steps when solving this. So step 1, break into pieces. So whenever you get a shape that's not just one rectangle or one square, you want to break it into multiple so it's easier to find. 2, find area of each piece. So once you've broken up your pieces, you want to find the area of each of them. And then step 3 would be add areas together. So break into pieces, find the area of each piece, and then we're going to add the areas together. All right, so if we take a look over here, we have already broken it into pieces A and B for you and labeled them. All right, so now let's first start looking at shape A. All right, so shape A. If we're looking at shape A, the area equals base times height. So if we're looking at this, the base of shape A is 4. So A equals 4 times, and our height is also 4. So in this case, 4 times 4 is 16. So the area for shape A is 16. Now we need to find the area for shape B. All right, so shape B. Still going to use the same formula, A equals base times height. Now, this one is not as easy to realize what the numbers are that we should be using. All right, so our base is just this piece right there. So if this whole entire top piece is 10, and we know that this is 4, so if we took away this 4, the whole thing is 10. We took away this 4 right here. That means that 6 is left over for our base. Now, I definitely think this is going to be the trickiest part of this assignment, is finding the missing pieces. So in this case, our base is going to be 6, so we plug that in for B. Now our height. This whole thing right here is 4, but we are taking away this one little piece because we just want this piece right here. So 4 minus this 1 right here gives you 3. So the height of shape 3 is going to be 3. So we plug that in for H, and 6 times 3 is 18. So we have the area for shape B, which is 18. All right, so we've done, let's take a look. Step 1, break into pieces, check. Step 2, find the area of each piece, check. So step 3 is add the areas together. So we're going to come back over here. We're going to take this area and this one, and we're going to add them together. So 16 plus 18 is 34. Oh, wow, you didn't even see that at all. So we took 16 and 18, added them together, and got 34. So this whole polygon right here is 34 inches. That's the area. All right, so this time there's 2 of them that I want you to do, numbers 7 and 8. I really do want you to try them on your own, so make sure you hit pause, take the time to break them into pieces, follow the steps, and then unpause once you finish so we can go through them together. So go ahead and hit pause. All right, so let's take a look at number 7 first. All right, so we broke it into 2 pieces right here, A and B. All right, so we took a look at shape A first. So area, base times height. Now our base, the whole thing is 15, but this piece is 7. So 15 minus the 7 gave us the 8, so our base is 8. We already knew the height, which was 9, so 8 times 9 is 72. For shape B, we do the same formula, base times height. We already knew our base, which is 7, because that's what it gave us, but we had to find our height. So in this case, the whole height is 9, but they gave you this 3 right here, so 9 minus 3 is what gave us the 6, so 7 times 6 is 42. So we've done steps 1 and 2. Step 3, you had to take both of the areas and add them together, and so our total area for number 7 is 114. Let's take a look at number 8. This one we broke into 3 pieces, shape A, B, and C. So let's start with shape A. Use the same formula, base times height. Our height was 5. They gave that to us. Now, the whole entire base is 11. All right, now this base is 2 and this is 3. So if you do 11 minus 2 minus 3, you're left with 6. So our base in this case is 6. I kind of flip-flop those around, I apologize. But so it's 30. For shape B, they gave us our base, which was 3, but we had to find our height. So it told us that our whole height is 5, but we have this little piece, which is 2. So 5 minus 2 gave us 3. So 3 times 3 gave us 9. So that's the area for shape B. Now shape C, same formula, base times height. All right, our base is 2. That's what it gave us already, so we plug that in for B. Now we had to find our height. Now, the whole height is 5, but this right there is 1. So 5 minus 1 gave us 4. So 2 times 4 gave you 8. We took all 3 of those and added them together. 30 plus 9 plus 8 gave you 47. Now, I know that this part is going to be the struggle, and that's the reason that we're doing it this week, is to be able to break into pieces and add the areas together. So just take your time trying to figure out which the area of the base is when you have to subtract them. If you have questions, please feel free to email me. But now that you've watched all 3 videos, please take the time to do your homework and the performance task. I need both submitted for me this week. If you have questions, send me an email, or I look forward to seeing you during conference time. Have a great day.